All right, what's up guys? Welcome to my setup. It's changed in a while. It's about to get bright because I have my ring light over there. That's how I make it extra bright. Because without this ring light, it looks like this. So I like to put the ring light when I'm doing videos and stuff, so I know it's extra bright. So let's get into this setup, and I'm really excited because it's changed a lot, and I think you guys will like it. All right, let's get to it. All right, so when you enter the room, you see stuff over there like my PS5 controller, my headset, a Kobe Bryant picture, and then everything that you guys want to see is right here. So this is my chair. I got this from Staples for my birthday. My friends got it for me and I like it a lot. And this is the whole setup. Yes, the cable management is really horrible, but I'm hoping to fix that this weekend. So I have a 3 monitor setup. The left one is where I use, is what I use for my PS5. That's over there right next to my PC. And then these two, the Dell monitor and the MSI one, is what I use for my PC. So on the desk, I have my Canon M50, which is usually up here. But right now I'm using the Logitech webcam because for some reason I can't seem to find the charger for the dummy batteries that I use whenever I'm making videos. So I'm gonna use the webcam because I gotta keep dropping content for you guys. And so the outside monitors are both 1080. The difference is this is a 1080-60 and this one is 1080p, but it's 165 hertz. And then the one in the middle is 1440p at 165 hertz. So I have another PS5 controller here, which is connected to these ear pods from Apple, which is also connected to the Elgato Chat Link cable. So I have a wireless custom keyboard that I made, and then I have the Razer Viper V2. So that's what I have there. I have some Logitech speakers because none of these have audio. None of these monitors have audio. So yeah. So I was lucky enough to get a PS5 last week off of OfferUp. So this is the digital version. And yeah, I paid a little bit more than its retail price, but it was worth it. Over there is my PC with Captain America in there. That has a 3070 and then a Ryzen 7 3800X. And then I have an external hard drive on the top right here. And then I have some fake IKEA plants on both ends. And then, yeah, cable management really needs to get fixed. This is an IKEA drawer. I'm about to get another one to put on this end. But yeah, it keeps a lot of different stuff. It keeps extra controllers, key switches, etc., keycaps. So yeah. But I wanted to keep this really short. But this is my setup. This is where I make all my content. Hopefully once I fix the cable management, it'll look 20 times better. But yeah, this is where I do everything. I do all my work, all my videos, all my gaming. And that is it, guys. If you like the content, please leave a like as it helps the channel a lot and it's free. And subscribe for more. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.